What's up, everybody? So I know a lot of you have heard about the flooding here in the Midwest, because it's been a shit ton. You know, a lot of them are reporting that it's records of floods in 93. It might be in some areas, but in this area, I don't see it. Floods in 93 were pretty fucking bad, and I was there for it. I mean, obviously, because I'm old as fuck. But floods in 93 were horrible, and we're not really near that. But I decided to go out, take the drone out, went up to the Missouri River, and flew it around, hoping to get some pretty good shots of the flooding for you guys. And yes, this is a devastating time because a lot of farmers have lost their land, a lot of people have lost their homes, and that shit sucks. I did not get any of that. I went to a place where it's like a park and maybe some businesses, but that's it. You know, I didn't get really devastation of people's homes. So I'm just going to cut to that footage, and you know, as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video around. The likes really help out, and the comments always help out, and I always try to reply to my comments. And please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. So here's your footage of your drone.